morning, guys. I'll continue to my last video. I work on the BMW M4 2016. So now I'm going to show you how to remove this window trim or molding and then this window trim too. Okay, for the door, the things you need, open the door, and then from here, really BMW really easy, but just careful to not bend it, and then in the end slide into your side. I really didn't remove it before, but you can see how easy it come out. And then one thing I show you, they repainted this door, and then they even not remove it, they repaint the rubber too. Which means if I wrap the car, still people can see the silver line because of this. Okay, anyway, always for the molding, put it in the safe area. I usually put it in the box. And then now we need to remove this one. So do the masking. And then also do the masking on the pillar too. And then the things you need is the trim remover. Also do the masking too. Okay, open the door and then really gently from here start to grab this one out. This one they did open it many times, I'm sure. You see here, even we not touch it already. Not broken here too. So here, a little bit on the key, and the key. Come on now. And then when you got here, from here, just with your hand. Okay. Let me close the door. Okay. Now, come show here. I want to see this one. This black key. This one has to come out. Okay. And then in the end, come this way, show this. And then when they're all out, you have to slide in upward to not break this one. And then, okay, this is the right one. When you put these tools out, this gonna pop out. But here broken, and here the holder broken, here not coming out yet, and then here holder broken too. So careful where you put your car to fixing. That's really important. And then for install back this one, you need open this bolt and then make that two parts separate. Okay, so please subscribe my channel and then share my video. I always making the video and try to be helpful for you guys. Thanks for your support. See you next time.